Welcome back to Factual Finesse, your go-to channel for intriguing facts from around the world. In today's video, we're diving into the heart of South America to explore the awe-inspiring Amazon rainforest. Known as the lungs of the earth, this vast expanse of greenery is home to an incredible array of plant and animal species, as well as numerous indigenous communities. Join us as we unravel the mysteries and present some fascinating facts about the Amazon rainforest. Fact 1. Biodiversity bonanza. The Amazon rainforest is a biodiversity hotspot, boasting an estimated 400 billion individual trees belonging to over 16,000 species. It's home to approximately 2.5 million insect species, 2,000 birds, and more than 400 mammals. This staggering level of biodiversity makes the Amazon rainforest one of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet. Fact 2. Mighty Amazon River flowing through the heart of the rainforest. The Amazon River is the largest river by discharge volume in the world. Stretching approximately 6,400 kilometers, 4,000 miles, it discharges more water into the ocean than the next 7 largest rivers combined. Its vast network of tributaries plays a crucial role in the rainforest's ecology, shaping its landscape and supporting a wide range of wildlife. Fact 3. Oxygen factory. Often referred to as the lungs of the earth, the Amazon rainforest produces about 20% of the world's oxygen. Its dense vegetation and countless trees act as a natural carbon sink, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen through photosynthesis. This vital role in mitigating climate change highlights the Amazon rainforest's global significance. Fact 4. Indigenous heritage. The Amazon rainforest is home to numerous indigenous communities, each with their distinct cultures, traditions, and languages. These communities have inhabited the region for thousands of years and possess deep knowledge of the rainforest's resources. Preserving their way of life and protecting their rights is crucial for the sustainable management of the Amazon and its rich cultural heritage. Fact 5. Threats and deforestation. Unfortunately, the Amazon rainforest is facing severe threats, primarily due to deforestation. Human activities, such as illegal logging, agriculture, mining, and infrastructure development, contribute to the loss of vast areas of the rainforest each year. Deforestation not only disrupts ecosystems and threatens countless species but also releases large amounts of stored carbon into the atmosphere, exacerbating climate change. Fact 6. Medicinal marvels. The Amazon rainforest is a treasure trove of medicinal plants, with indigenous communities having utilized its flora for healing purposes for centuries. Plants like the cinchona tree, the source of quinine for treating malaria, and the curare vine, a muscle relaxant used during surgeries, highlight the rainforest's potential for medical advancements. Protecting the Amazon's biodiversity ensures that we preserve the opportunity for future discoveries in medicine and healthcare. Fact 7. Spectacular species. The Amazon rainforest is home to some extraordinary and unique animal species. From the iconic jaguars and giant river otters to the enchanting poison dart frogs and the vibrant macaws, the rainforest shelters countless mesmerizing creatures. Exploring the intricate webs of life within the Amazon unveils a mesmerizing world that continually surprises and captivates scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. As we conclude this exploration into the Amazon rainforest, we're left in awe of its sheer magnitude and biological richness. This incredible ecosystem is a testament to nature's grandeur, and it serves as a reminder of our responsibility to protect and preserve it for future generations. By raising awareness about its significance and the threats it faces, we can all play a part in ensuring the Amazon rainforest remains a vibrant and thriving hub of life on our planet. Stay curious, stay informed, and until next time, keep seeking the truth with Factual Finesse. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to Factual Finesse for more captivating facts from around the world.